Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We did a little turkey hunting this morning. The wind picked up to about, I don't know, 20 to 25 miles an hour. So we're gonna switch gears and do a little shed hunting this afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock. We're gonna shed hunt for a couple hours and then we'll try and put a bird on roost for tomorrow morning. All right, we're out of the truck. Gonna start in this little corner right here, see if we can do a little shed hunting back in here, see if we can find some antlers. See that we're coming up on a noticeable change in the woods. It gets a lot thicker up here, so definitely want to slow down a little bit, zigzag a little more. Got really thick really quick back in here. I was just coming through this thick cedar tree stuff and ran into this rub on this cedar tree. Thought I'd take a little footage of that. So there's definitely was bucks using this area this fall. I don't know if they used it over the winter and dropped antlers in it, but I could see where this would be some good bedding cover. Just gonna keep zigzagging and see if we can find anything. Okay, just got up to the corner of this field. There's a little opening up here. Used to be a little access road. Jump the fence right here. Saw looks like a pretty nice rub on that tree in there. Gonna keep shed hunting this thick stuff and see how it goes. Just working our way through this thick stuff and found another nice rub on this tree that's definitely from this last fall. So there's rubs all over in here, so obviously the bucks were using it this last fall. That doesn't mean they are bedding down in it this winter. So I've not found an antler yet. Only about a half a mile or so in. So a couple more really good rubs on these trees. It looks like actually like every little tree in this corner of the CRP got its antlers rubbed on or branches broke off of. Or, I don't know if this is like a little staging area in the fall. Looks like I actually found my first shed of the day. Bad little antler. It's not the greatest, but I'm gonna keep looking. All right, we're about maybe another 100 yards into our shed hunting from where we found the last one. Just stumbled onto this deer skull right here. Definitely has some funky stuff going on. We're about 4.5 maybe miles into shed hunting today. We found one small shed and one skull. This is, I just walked up on this one. This is gonna be shed number 2 for the day. It's definitely got potential for the next couple of years. Probably needs at least 2 more years, but we're still having some luck. We're about, I don't know, 100 yards from where I parked the Jeep. So we're gonna head back to the Jeep. It's almost 1 o'clock. So we're gonna head back to the Jeep, stop back at the house, and have a little snack for lunch. An apple, an orange, a banana, a couple bottles of water, and then we'll probably make a decision from there whether or not we go out and try and do some more turkey hunting this afternoon, or keep looking for deer antlers. All right, I went back to the house, had a little snack, had an orange, an apple, a banana, bought a couple bottles of water, and then I was still kind of sweaty from the morning hike, so jumped on the four-wheeler and was kind of riding the four-wheeler through some of this open country up here, just riding slow around the cedar trees up in the pasture. And I think this might be another piece of an antler, or an antler right here. Looks like it got broke off a couple times. It's gonna be the 3rd antler of the day, and then 1 skull we found so far. We were out riding the ATV around the field edges and came across this skull. It's not really the way we like to find sheds or find antlers, but sometimes when you have a long winter, that's what happens. You get some winter kill. So I'm gonna keep checking the fence lines and the field edges and see if we can find anything else. All right, we're back on foot, doing a little more shed hunting. Kind of down in the bottom of the draw right now. Just wanted to show you kind of how steep the terrain is. I haven't heard a turkey gobble in a long time, since this morning, so just taking advantage of the 70-degree weather and the snow being gone. Maybe this might be the last day I shed hunt, and then after this I'll probably focus on just turkey hunting for a month and then prospecting after that. So just wanted to give you an update of how the hunt's going. I think we found 3 antlers and 2 skulls so far today. Not 100% positive, but I'm guessing that all these leaves in here are torn up by the turkeys coming in here and scratching, looking for bugs underneath the leaves. So I did not hunt this draw this morning. I hunted a different spot, but wouldn't surprise me if I hear birds gobble down here this evening, if they go up to roost down here. So I'll definitely check that out later.